Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Your Own Home Tutor. I am Ria and today I am here with another video on the most hottest topic of today's tech world, which is what is ChatGPT. So let us have a look at the questions which come in our mind whenever we speak of ChatGPT. So the very basic question which comes to our mind after hearing the name of ChatGPT is what is ChatGPT? Followed by who developed it? Is it free? Why is it used? Are there any limitations to its use? Or are there any concerns involved in it? So let us see the answers to all these questions in this video. Let us begin with the video. So the first question which arises is what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot which can chat and respond back to one's queries like that of humans. Friends, in our daily life, we often chat with our friends and near and dear ones. In the similar way, ChatGPT also responds back to our queries, questions in a similar way like we chat with other humans. This is based on artificial intelligence and it has been developed completely using AI technology. Now, there are other chatbots available in the market such as Alexa, Siri, Google Now, etc. They are all chatbots, but they do not have artificial intelligence, and apart from responding back to one's queries, they cannot perform specific activities which ChatGPT is providing us with. So what are those activities which we can do, or what are those queries which ChatGPT can solve? Let us briefly see them. It can create any content as per the user's demand within few seconds. For example, it can create various essays on various topics, formal, informal emails, provide various coding solutions, provides with article writing, composing emails, and many more. So these are some activities which we can do with ChatGPT and not with Alexa, Siri, and Google Now. Now, the next question comes is who developed it? So it was developed by OpenAI in November 2022. Now I have a question, and you guys may also be thinking, is it free? Yes, as of now, the basic version of ChatGPT is completely free to use. Let's move and see some more questions related to ChatGPT. So why is ChatGPT used? The most asked and demanded question, why is it used? It can be used to solve various day-to-day technical as well as non-technical challenges. So we can solve various daily life problems, whether it is technical or non-technical, with the help of ChatGPT. People are using ChatGPT to do the following activities. Let us have a look at those activities. They are coding various complex computer programs, composing emails, letters, music, essays, playing games, preparing job resumes, replying to job mails, etc. They are also using ChatGPT in content writing on different topics. They are also using it for solving math problems and many more. So friends, if you see, all these activities are our daily life activities and which we use in our colleges, schools, offices, everywhere. So ChatGPT finds its use in almost all spheres, whether it is school, college, or office. Now, again, what is the other question which is coming? Are there any limitations of using ChatGPT apart from so many benefits which we have seen so far? Yes, there are limitations of using ChatGPT. And what are those limitations? It lacks awareness, common sense, and creativity like humans. Humans have awareness, common sense, and creativity, but ChatGPT does not possess these. It also cannot access the internet, and huge data needs to be fed into the system, processed, and then only we can get the desired output from ChatGPT, unlike humans again. Now, it can also not do multitasking like we humans can do. It can perform only one task at a time. So these are some limitations of ChatGPT which we find these days. Also, it has many benefits, but everything comes with some limitation, and here are some of the limitations of ChatGPT. Now, what are the concerns arising from ChatGPT? Obviously, from this tool, there are some concerns which are arising amongst humans. What are those? It may be used unethically for cheating, copying information, spreading the same among students and others. As I told, it is finding its use in almost every sphere, whether it is school, college, or office, so it can also be used unethically in these spheres for cheating and copying information. Many manual tasks which were done by human beings are now automated by ChatGPT. Hence, the working professionals of various fields are worried due to it. It can often compromise with one's privacy by using the already fetched data. Whatever data we have already fetched in ChatGPT, it works using that. So if we have fetched any data which is private to one's safety, then it can compromise it, and sometimes it results in compromisation of one's privacy after using the already fetched data. So if you have liked the video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and we'll meet you in another video.